Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm going to have like 8 to 10, 12 days of images that I was gifted, and I want to show the images, and it is from Modernista Print Shop from Etsy. And today I had printed, wow, this is pretty. If you want to know the pink I got from Amazon. Okay, so this is beautiful. Okay, Beige Vintage Baby Junk Journal. 24 pages. You get landscape and portrait. Okay, so you get 36 pages altogether. This is the portrait, and this is what portrait means. Full-size portrait. This is beige. You can see blues in it. I love the layering of a sales receipt, newspaper, like a card, some cursive writing. The eyes are blue. I don't know if you can see that. It is a beautiful image. Okay, so I'm only going to show you one of the 24 that you get in portrait because I'm going to have a baby series. I think there's like 6 or 7 of these, and they're all different colors, and I'm going to have a baby series to show you what you can do if it's not just a junk journal. Okay, so when I say landscape, this is landscape and this is portrait. You get one of each, and so this would be one and this would be one of this size. So all 24 of this size is shown in here, but they're smaller when it's made into the junk journal. You score it down this middle for a junk journal page. Okay, I hope you understand that. So let's go through the images you get with the Beige Baby Vintage. Isn't that just gorgeous beige? And you can add blue, purple, pink, yellow, green. Since this is a sepia beigey color, you can add any color under the rainbow with this. So look at all the layering and different things. Isn't that gorgeous? So here is 2 more images. Here is 2 more. It's got a little bit of blue sneaking through here and there on this. Here is 2 more. This would be such a beautiful baby album. You can make just baby cards if you scaled it down and made cards. I mean, that would be just a beautiful card to welcome a baby. Some more. Isn't that beautiful? The mom and the baby. That's very beautiful. But I love the layering and the writing and the grayish blue, the little bit of pink. You can see lace. A lot of work into this. Look how beautiful that is. So here it is again. I want to explain. You see how this goes with this? Well, this is what size it is on the portrait, and this is the landscape, and you get every one of these this size in this kit. Okay? Beautiful, isn't it? I mean, look how beautiful this is. I love the Roman numeral clock with that, and it's just so pretty, and it's got the blue flowers and handwriting, and you can see lace in the outfit. And then this one, she's got a bonnet on, the mom does. This is just so pretty. Look how cute that outfit is on him. And then here is some words and music notes. She's a redhead here. That's a beautiful face on him. And then this one has got a little bit of blue with the bow and stuff. So that is the Beige Vintage Junk Journal kit that you can get from Modernista Print Shop, and I hope you like it. I will put the link down below, and then you can go and buy this and make beautiful art, and it doesn't have to be a junk journal. I'm going to do a series, so follow me if you're not, and then you can see what else to do with these beautiful, beautiful images. I am blessed to have them in my life, and I'm just so happy. So I hope you like this, and I hope you go and grab this kit. So there you go. The links will be down below. Make sure you follow me because you never know what I'm going to do. Have a blessed day.